Welcome back, and thank you so much for watching. Pam has joined us via phone, 571-5263. Pam, welcome into Wave 3 Listens.
Hi, how are you all today?
Doing well.
I was on a really good program, and I want to emphasize it was a good program at the time. I was on 5 shakes a day signed for that program to lose weight. And I was on a protein bar once a day. And of course, I could eat all the salads and vegetables that I needed. I took a multivitamin and a B12 shot once a week. It had 64 ounces of water and exercise. I lost 26 pounds in about 3 months. But when I got on the program and started to eat normal food and keep up my exercise, I've gained the weight back.
Yeah.
It took me from my metformin from 1,500 to 500. So I did accomplish something. But
that was great. Absolutely. And Pam, you know what? That's what's so perfect about what we do, because so many people do the HCG diet or maybe even any diet, and then all of a sudden they don't know what to do or how to eat. That's why we have 3 phases in our HCG program. Phase 1 is where you do the HCG. Phase 2 is a small 2-week program where you don't basically get any carbs. It's too much to talk about. Phase 3 is your lifelong plan of how you are going to continue to eat. And that is something that we have always done, but that is, again, why we have added Tasha in this great addition, so that you can talk to her over time. Because you're right, you don't know what to do afterwards. You have to be taught. You came to us because you were eating a certain way, and it caused you to gain weight. Then you lost all this weight. People sometimes give out HCG, and then people are like, now what do I do? So they go back to their old habits, and they gain the weight. You need as much information as you can afterwards to make sure that you keep the weight off. Getting the weight off is the easiest thing in the world. Keeping the weight off is the hardest thing, and that's what we're here for.
We got about a minute. I'm going to get into some soft and supple skin.
Perfect.
And eyelashes. It really bothers me. So tell me about some of the new services you have.
Absolutely. I was talking about how we have added some new services and some prescriptions. For the ladies, there is estrogen cream, which is like a facelift in a bottle, they call it. Eyelash, a lot of people have heard of Latisse. We have a generic form, and it's just $50 versus $120. There's an anti-wrinkle, reduced age line, like a retinol. And then for age and sunspots, we also have a cream for that. That can be ordered through our pharmacy. You just have to come in and see the provider so that they can write the prescription for you. Again, this goes through New Vitalis. We'll come straight to your door. And for the gentlemen out there, we're not going to leave you out. Of course, you can use any of those products as well. But if you're not wanting to do hormones, but you are having some ED problems or whatnot, come in, spend about 30 minutes with a provider, and they're able to write those prescriptions for you as well. So again, all of these a la carte things that we have added makes it absolutely unnecessary for you not to call if there's something going on with you. And I know if you're over the age of 40, some of this is going on for sure.
There we go. Feel 25 again with 25 again. We'll take a quick break and be back to tie things up. We'll be right back on Wave 3 Listens.